Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Clean Life Blog. Today, we've got something fascinating to share, the secret recipe for an incredible kitchen cabinet cleaning spray that will leave your cabinets looking brand new. But before we dive into this magical solution, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Here are the ingredients you'll need to whip up this powerful cabinet cleaning spray. 2 glasses of water. 1 cup of white vinegar. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Pour 2 glasses of water into a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of white vinegar to the water. Gradually sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid to the mixture. Stir the mixture until everything is well combined. You'll notice it starts to foam up a bit, that's a good sign. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar, creating a powerful cleaning agent. Now that we've got our cabinet cleaning spray ready, let's see how it works. Spray this mixture onto your kitchen cabinets. Be sure to cover the entire surface. Now, take a clean cloth and wipe down the cabinet. You'll instantly notice the grime and grease melting away. And here's a special treat for you. If you want more detailed spray recipes and cleaning tips, head to www.cleanlifeblog.com. There, you'll find various articles that delve deeper into keeping your home sparkling clean. There you have it, folks, the ultimate kitchen cabinet cleaning spray that's effective and easy on your wallet. Say goodbye to grime and hello to sparkling cabinets. Don't forget to make a batch of this fantastic cleaning spray and keep your kitchen looking its best. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.